If this happens when you knead your pizza dough by hand, you're in good company. This is a very common issue, and in a minute I will also give you a hint of the reasons why it happens. For now, let me suggest what you can do to fix your dough that sticks to your hands and table to everything. First of all, more kneading is not the answer. Second of all, adding flour, that is definitely not the answer. In fact, when you add that extra flour, you are altering the balance of the ingredients. You are changing the recipe, you are somehow trusting, and consequently you are changing the outcome. The baked pizza will hardly be whatever you were expecting and hoping for, and whatever you were shown or told. Is the thing. Sticky dough isn't really a problem you fight, it's a signal you work with. If you want to turn a sticky mess into a nice pizza dough, I would rather recommend the no-knead method, which is a no-stress way that allows a slow build-up of the gluten over time with barely any effort from us. The dough becomes strong without ever feeling like a fight, just by folding it. You had to repeat several rounds with a short wait in between. Usually 3 or 4 are enough. The method is granted to give results, but there's a chance you might be able to prevent the issue altogether. You had 2 ways. You can either change the kind of flour you are using, or change the temperature of the water you are using. You might even want to try both of them. If you want to dig deeper into details, there's everything you need to know in this video.